Today I'm coming to you from inside my dad's garage, where we're finally going to be giving this neglected car some much needed love, some much deserved love. So in front of me there's a bunch of boxes with a bunch of parts that I'll show you in a second. There's a new CVV, a new DISA valve, some new hoses, and etc. So we're going to get started here by opening the hood. If we're ready. Here we got the glorious M54 engine that's in the need for a little bit of TLC. We'll need to replace the CVV, which stands for something that I can't remember. In order to do that, we're going to remove the
valve.
What?
Crankcase ventilation valve.
Yeah, that. And we're going to remove the intake, the airbox, probably the cabin air filter right here, because we always do. This is the DISA valve, which also needs to be replaced. We're replacing this as well, which I think that's the new part over there. And the steering double joint is another thing that needs to be fixed. So we got all these parts right here. Yeah, there's a box here, and it's got something in it. Control valve air intake. Another thing that we're replacing, I guess. Here's the report card, which it didn't do very well on. That would be CVV, I think. Because we replaced the CVV before. I guess we put in the wrong one, so now we're going to put in the right one, and hopefully that'll fix my oil burning problem that I've had.
The right one, and now we're going to put in a better one.
Yes. Put in a better one. And yeah, there's a couple other things. So I'm going to start by removing this air filter box thing, and then probably that too. So yeah, there's a lot of work to be done today. All right, air intake comes first. Is that already off? Yeah, okay, there we go. I'm by no means a car mechanic. And that's all I have to say. Break this probably. Is there a technique for getting this off?
I'll take it off from the other side first.
No. Alright, that works. Yay! Now you can see the alternator. Whoa!
I'll take the airbox off. I mean the water box, this stuff out.
The cabin air filter? I know more about car mechanics than you do. I know what that's called.
Yeah, it's called the water box.
No, I guess I don't know anything then. Ooh. Somebody spilled egg in my... Where is it? Yeah, that looks like somebody spilled egg in it. And then there's the screws in there that I...
Yeah, I'm going to do those.
You don't trust me to do those. So basically what happened one time is... You see the screws right there? I'm trying to pull one out, and do you want to guess where I dropped it? Yeah. I'm M539 restorations, but bad. The CCV is actually called the crankcase vent valve with 4 hoses, cold climate version. Apparently we had the other climate version.
Yeah, the one that came with the car.
Oil burning issue.
It's
Look at that. Crisp, clean.
Oh, do you want to demonstrate how to put that on?
Yeah, so what happened was it has these 2 notch things, and you have to line it up like that. So you start putting on the oil cap like that, and I put it on just wrong before. So it was not on all the way, right? And that made the car run like poopy. Misfires on all 6 cylinders and everything. And then we started trying to fix the problem. We got a part for it, and then we realized that I hadn't put the oil cap on correctly, and yeah, I'm never going to hear the end of that. I deserve every bit of crap I get for that. Because I was so stupid. This one's a nut. This one's a bolt. 6 ignition coils, and that's where you put your oil. And
your oil cap.
yeah, shut up. And then the intake is still there, and that comes off next, right? I must have broken it. This is the DISA valve. Look at that. It's supposed to do that, or it's not supposed to. I have no idea. It's supposed to do that, but it's still broken. Right? That's what it tastes like, right? Oh, look at that. I went straight for the correct socket. Oh, wow, that's actually tighter than it looks. Tighter than it looks, whatever that means. How do you tell by looking at a bolt how tight it is? Okay, I got the 2 bolts out. Should just move. Yes, it moves. Look at that. Bink. Well, we're about 30 minutes into working on the BMW, and things actually seem to be going pretty well. So, what it looks like right now, the CVV is somewhere deep down in here. The intake's coming off soon. We'll soon have this car back on the road as the ultimate driving machine once more. All right, day 2 of working on the BMW. Here's where we're at. Back to it. Well, that's actually the part we're replacing, right?
Yeah.
Yep, looks like we're finished. Yeah, it looks like we're finished, and now this car actually drives so much better than it did when we first brought it in the garage. It's actually a lot faster and smoother than I remember it. I also don't remember it being a DCT. Yeah, of course, I'm joking. We're actually nowhere near done, but today we replaced the secondary air and we started on replacing the CVV. But we've run out of time, so we're going to pick up on this another day. But maybe in the meantime, are you going to let me review your M6 someday?
Sure. As long as it doesn't involve driving it.
Yeah, I think my chances are pretty good. But yeah, thank you for watching.